Hey guys, this is Julia. A lot of you have asked me how I made my gnome shoes out of K-cups from my leftover pods. This is what the shoe is going to look like. I've already embellished it, but that's what the shoe looks like. These are what you will need. You'll need 4 K-cups to make a pair of shoes, a piece of cardboard, your fabric, whatever fabric you want to cover the shoe with. You need a piece of foam. I'll give you the measurements in a second. Hot glue gun, scissors, and whatever embellishments that you need. First thing you're going to do is you are going to take your K-cup and you are going to cut one of them in half. Sorry, I'm just getting over a cold. You're going to cut one of them in half. Throw that piece away. The whole one is going to be turned right side up. The half one is facing down. You're going to glue it together. Now you're going to trace the sole on your cardboard, which I've already done just to save time. And you're going to glue that onto the bottom, and that's your sole. Glue it onto the bottom like that. Then you're going to take that and you're going to trace it onto a piece of fabric, and that's going to cover the bottom of the shoe. I've already done it to save time. We're going to glue that onto the bottom of the shoe. Like that. Okay, now for the fabric, you want to cut a piece of fabric 9.5 inches long by 2.5 inches high, and we are going to just put that right around the shoe like that. So starting from the front, make sure you have the center of the fabric and just put it around your shoe. And this part doesn't matter because you're going to cover it with the foam. Okay, I'm going to cut just a little piece off because I want it to be centered in the back. A little bit come off. Okay, make sure you glue that. Okay. Then you're going to put a dab of glue inside like that. And you're going to press the center in like that. Squeeze these two sides together and give it just a little shot of glue so that stays together. Then you're going to go around the inside with the glue. And you're going to bring everything in. Fold everything in. Okay, so you should end up with that. Okay. Then you're going to take your foam piece, which is 9 inches long by about 1 3/8 wide. And you're going to add this to the bottom of the shoe. Sorry, my glue gun is not working today. Bear with me because I've never done a video before. Okay, so that is on. Okay, so there's your shoe. Now that you have your shoe, you can embellish it as you wish. I put a little fur around the top. Sorry, this got glue all over it. I put a little fur around the top. Like that. And embellished it with a little rhinestone button. And there you have it. Now, if you don't have a Keurig and you don't use K-cups, you can buy these from Dollar Tree. They come in a package of, I don't know, maybe 9. Works the same way. Cut it in half, do the same thing. Hope this helped. Have any questions, please private message me. Thank you. Bye.